All right, let's go to Costco. I'm gonna show you everything that I buy today. Our first stop is gonna be the breads. Yes, we do eat bread. Yes, we eat carbs. I know, crazy, right? This is what we're gonna get. And we're gonna get 2 of these. They both go in the freezer. And you take them out, pop them in a microwave, and they're ready to eat. And I'm gonna get some turkey today. Normally, I almost always get some chicken breasts or chicken thighs, but we have enough of that at the moment at home. So I'm just gonna get this ground turkey. All right. This grass feed. We get this beef almost every time we shop at Costco. It is super quick. You don't have to cook it. You just have to heat it up. It's super high in protein and it's also low in fat. As much as we love Costco, here's something we don't love. It's super sad because we had high expectations when we first tried their sushi, but I gotta say it's not good. At least not in Arizona. It's a different story in Hawaii, but not in Arizona. Recently, we discovered these breakfast bites. These are chicken and maple meatballs. Super tasty. And we're kind of between if we should get this beef pot roast or this pulled pork. We've had both, but we found this one, it was maybe a little too fatty. So we're just gonna go with this pulled pork today. Here's something new that we just found recently. It's tilapia. Tortilla crusted tilapia. You probably know that it's pretty difficult to make tilapia taste good, but they've done a really good job with this one. So we're gonna have it for dinner probably tonight. We get this literally every time, this crispy chicken. It is so high in protein. If you like chicken, I mean, everybody likes chicken, but this is like a lightly breaded chicken. Very high in protein. Check this out. 4 ounces, 21 grams. And if you'd like to make your cooking easier too and still eat high protein and macro friendly, then I have a free guide that has 12 high protein foods that you can buy from Costco that are ready and on the table in less than 5 minutes. So if you want to get that guide, check out the link in my description. Here's the vegetables we got today. I've been in a little bit of a salad kick lately. Mixed greens, then some bell peppers, grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, grapes, which I'm going to tell you a little bit more in a second, and then avocados, of course, some zucchini, and some cucumbers. And let me tell you a secret how to pick good grapes. There's a way to do it. You gotta sample them, for real. Don't tell anybody, but we do it every time. I didn't do it today, the cameraman did, but we have to try at least one to know if it's good or not. Then I'm gonna get some Greek yogurt. I will get this one. This is not flavored, plain, and I think this is non-fat, yes. Sometimes I have this one, Oikos Greek yogurt. So this is also really good, 15 grams of protein per cup. But right now I'm kind of in the mood for the plain one, so that's what I'm getting. Lemon, peach, and mango.
Oh, yeah?
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay. In coconut water, I have some every single day. This is the one that I get. It's literally the best tasting coconut water that you can get at Costco. Are you filming my ass? Holy crap, have you seen bananas like this? This could be like 3 bananas, this is just one. So here's why it's so important that you weigh your food. Because if you go into MyFitnessPal and you type in a large banana, I bet you this is still 3 times as big as the large is in the app. So you gotta weigh your food if you're tracking macros. These are back. Oh my God, these are so good. We bought them, I don't know, years ago, a couple of years ago, and we haven't seen them in forever. So I'm so excited that they're back. Then some important sandwich stuff, cheese. I always have to have cheese in my fridge, and then some Black Forest ham. So I wanted some beef sticks, and there's a lot of options here. So I'm just gonna see what looks best. 7 grams, 100 grams, 100, 10, fat 7, 10. Okay, so pretty similar. How many is in here? Also 12. Okay. So these are actually really similar in calories, in protein, in fat, and also they both have 12 in them. So honestly, I'm just gonna let the price decide and get the cheaper one. Now, last up today, these nuts. What do I say about nuts? Nuts are really good, but they're super high in calories and fat. So as you saw, I bought a lot of vegetables, I bought some fruit, but I also bought a lot of proteins that are fast, that require no cooking, such as the chicken or the steak. So I'm trying to make my life a little bit easier while still eating healthy. And then we have some breads here, some snacks too. Thanks for shopping with me.